Okay, we're gonna check out the village store. $14.99. It's a nice mug though, but I don't know if it's worth $14.99. But I might buy it to support Yosemite National Park. More mugs. Oh, this one is pretty cool. Looks like a regular mug from outside, but inside there's oh, this is a map of Yosemite. Yeah. And this one is $16.99. And if you look into simple design, this is pretty cool too. This one is $14.99. Let's check out the blue one also. Let's see how much this is. Here we go. Another simple design with mommy bear or daddy bear and baby bears there. Also $14.99. Here's price tag. Ooh. It's a pretty cool design. This one is $41.99. Same thing for this one. You get a multi-pool pocket life. Put your name on it, if your name is common name. Here's one for Jane, Jake, and so on. Coasters for two is $7.99. Oh, some of them are, oh, different prices for different design. This one is $5.99. $7.99 for the wolf. This one is also $5.99. You're done? Okay. Oh, cool hats. Oh, the cowboy hats.
식료품은 전혀 안 비싸다.
The food is okay, but the clothes is kind of expensive. Clothes and mugs. This is $30. The mug over there with the Yosemite just now, $14.99, and so on. Yeah, but it's to support the national park.
기념품은 비싼데
Yeah.
그런 거는 싸. 아니 그러니까 싼 건 아닌데 뭐 그렇게 비싸. 되게 아끼야끼야.
Put it on. Let's see. Try it on. This one is $30.99. They also sell cowboy hats, crocodile Dundee hats. $30.99. Yosemite cup, or Yosemite, and it's like a half dome with purple inside. $14.99 also. Oh, cup with the chubby bear, black inside. This one's also $14.99. A lot of cool t-shirts here. This how much these are. $24.99. This one $36.99. This one is $24.99. So price is really different depending on design, and I guess the quality of the cloth is different too. Some stuffed animals for kitties. Oh, that's like a animal backpack. What is this? I don't know what this is. Maybe just for decoration. It's not a backpack. Yeah. Does anybody know what this is? Oh my gosh, what's this? There's something inside. Oh, maybe it's just a toy. Yeah, I think this one is just a toy. But if you know what this is, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Oh, so I guess the hat we saw earlier is not really a crocodile Dundee hat, but it's more like the park ranger hat. This stuffed animals comes with the candy, twisted candy cane. Some cool walking sticks here. This one is $58.99. The straight one is $28.99. Some magnets. $4.99 for magnets. Playing cards, Yosemite playing cards. If you like poker or blackjack, it's $5.99. Another mug here. More mugs. This mug right here, $15.99. This one right here, $16.99. Oh, that's the same thing. Keychains are $8.99. Nail clipper $5.99. We saw something similar earlier. This one's also $14.99. All white with the bear print. Bear paw print is $16.99. Oh, and they have a whole section for fruits and vegetables and snacks. Let's go. Let's go check out each snack. We got bananas here. Some energy bars for if you want to go hiking. Some salads and fruits here. Some dressings. Some energy drinks. Some Starbucks drinks there too with triple shot. We even have barbecue sauce. And ice cream. Oh, I got ice cream. Canned food. Some chips here. Let's go to this aisle here. Some pet food. And everyday item. Deodorant. Mouthwash. Eye drop. Some kitchen items here. Some cleaning supplies. Some pasta sauce. Some granola, trail mix here, some gum, chocolate, some Pringles, some beef jerky, breakfast food, Pop-Tarts, more granola, some almond milk, coconut milk, cereal, and the last aisle, we got more chips over there. Oh, we got some meat, and bread. They actually have everything, right? Wow. Some sandwiches. Excuse me. Popcorns. kind of beer they have. We got some IPAs, double IPAs, Devils.
It looks like it's just a pina colada. I'm sorry.
Okay. And what is that? Oh, okay. Thank you.
More IPAs. Hard ciders. Oat milk, muscle milk, hard liquor. That's what they got. They got Patron, Salute vodka, Woodford. Oh, they actually have good selection here. Not the rare, you know, rare stuff, but they got almost all brands. Here's my grandpa's favorite drink, Crown Royale. Here's some stickers. This one's, they're both $3.99 each. And some mugs with common names on it. It's $14.99 for one. For one and two is $25. That's the checkout line. Some earrings, bracelet, rings. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, that's pretty much it.